Hey, I'm in Berks County, Pennsylvania, here at a Chile Pepper Food Festival. There's a lot of hot pepper sauces here, there's a lot of great food, and there's entertainment. Let's check it out.
Now I long to see the sun come shining, stealing through my kitchen door, and just to see my dear old mammy cooking ham on that old kitchen stove. Now when the mockingbird sings you to sleep at night, the moonbeams playing through the trees, some like to climb it up in New Mexico, but give me back to sunny Tennessee. Oh, the lady, oh, the oh, oh, the oh, dee, oh, 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 dee, oh, 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 dee, oh, the lady, dee, oh, the oh, dee, oh, dee.
Wow, look at all this stuff.
You would like trying these hot sauces.
Psycho curry.
Welcome back, guys.
You are loved, accepted, and known, even before you were ever born. So girl, don't sell yourself short. She tries to cover up the bruises with her makeup, but that won't work to cover up the pain. It's written all over her face. Lies she tells herself she won't be able to find anybody else, and that's why she stays. But girl, you should know that you don't have to live that way. You don't have to sell yourself short. So much more than you do. So hold your heart and don't let it go. You are loved, accepted, and known, even before you were ever born. So girl, don't sell yourself short.
My family and I had a great time. There was a lot of vendors there, and we didn't get to visit them all, but the ones we did go to had some great sauces. Now, when I'm looking for a sauce, I'm looking for something that will pair nice with what I normally eat. So, I'm looking for not only heat, but flavor. So here's a few sauces that I picked up. One of the booths that I went to, which is the Torchbearer sauces, I picked up their Slaughter hot sauce and their Chipotle barbecue sauce. Anything with Chipotle, I'm going to buy it. Another booth that I went to was the Rockies, where I picked up a barbecue and a garlic hot sauce. Another booth we visited was SD Sauces. They make Thai hot sauce, and there we picked up a regional and a barbecue. They're really spicy, but have good flavor. Not too far from that, we saw the Saratoga Peanut Butter Company, where they have multiple flavors of peanut butter. The one that impressed my wife and kids the most was Major Maple, which is a maple honey peanut butter sauce. And last but not least, we picked up some local honey. I hope you enjoyed watching the video because we had fun making it, and thanks for watching.